It's the manager's first game at the helm, and the spotlight is squarely on, as well as the pressure, with the fans demanding a perfect start. Hello, and thanks for joining us live here on EATV. I'm Guy Mowbray with the former Arsenal and West Ham midfielder Stuart Robson alongside me. And I hope you're as ready as the crowd is here for another Bundesliga season to begin. What are we going to get from this one?
Well, the atmosphere is incredible inside the stadium. There's a real sense of optimism amongst the fans about the new season and what it might bring. It's been a long wait, but hopefully we get a great game to kick their campaigns off.
This might be promising. Good cross into the middle. And the keeper gets it and holds on to it. DiMarco. Fabio Silva. What a chance here! Played through. Oh, the flag's up. That could be offside. Substitution coming up. Ten minutes left for play.
Well, the atmosphere is so tense inside this stadium, but can they find that moment of magic to win this game? The crowd certainly think so. Just listen to them.
Five minutes left, still absolutely nothing in it. Promising looking ball. There could be a chance to win the game here. Good cross into the middle. This could be dangerous. Unable to find anyone with that. Fabio Silva. Right idea, but the wrong side of the fine margins. And that is the final whistle. Well, nothing to split the two sides, and the points shared. Certainly one of those. The team sheets are in. There's no turning back now. Hello to you and welcome along to Augsburg with the VW Arena, your venue for today's game. I'm Guy Mowbray and I'm joined by Sue Smith for commentary, and we've got action for you from the Bundesliga today. What can we expect from the game then?
It's great to be here. I think it's important that both teams are focused from the off though and they start quickly, but I'd love to see some goals. Hopefully I've not just cursed it.
To do something here. Good cross into the middle, but that hasn't worked as planned, claimed by the keeper. We've seen another brilliant start here, clearly getting the upper hand tactically once again.
Oh, definitely. They played their cards right in each encounter so far, haven't they?
Hearing now developments at Europa Park Stadion. Alex Scott has goal news.
Yes, it's a goal for Borussia Dortmund. It was a nice pullback, a low-driven shot. They couldn't do anything about that one. They've scored the opener here with 12 minutes on the clock.
Alex there ensuring we don't miss a thing. And the keeper does well to keep it out. Well, they got the deal done, and now it's time to see what he'll bring to the team. What are we going to see on his debut?
Well, he's here to provide goals, isn't he? Plain and simple.
Oh, goal here maybe! And that was a great chance for the opener.
Guy, how are they not 1-0 up? He has to be clinical in that position. He looks absolutely gutted.
Claude Maurice. Good vision. And played in now. It might still happen. Oh, yes, it's a ripper. There was no margin for error with that. Wonderful hit.
Yeah, it's a great strike. What a rocket. He catches...
Closed it down well. Something on from this. Onto it, in on goal. In it goes. Level once again. What a game this is turning out to be.
Well, just look how he gets his head up, spots the run. It's a lovely pass. And once it falls to him like that, it's a routine finish. Cool and clinical.
And that brings the first half to a close here at the VV Car Arena. After a job well done. Try, just over.
Well, this takes a lot of practice on the training ground. He's perfected his technique, but it's just over the bar this time. It's not that far away.
Promising move this. A goal now would surely be the winner. And that's a really alert bit of goalkeeping. 10 minutes left for play. Oh, could be here. That has stopped any potential danger. Well, this is a bit of a scramble.
Yeah, they're just not on the same wavelength, are they?
Time to cross to Alex Scott for a moment. News of a penalty in another game.
Well, Dortmund were awarded the penalty, and it only went and hit the bar, but it went in. They are now behind 2-1 with under 5 minutes left to play.
As ever, thank you, Alex. Delivered into the box. And he went for power, but he got it all wrong. It's missed by a distance. Substitution coming up. It's more or less next goal wins time. Could this be it? If wet, welcome to you. Conditions not ideal here this evening. Joining me, Guy Mowbray, for commentary will be Sue Smith. And we've got Bundesliga action for you here. Your thoughts on this game then, Sue?
Well, it's so loud in here, isn't it? The fans are really up for this one, and I'm sure the managers will be reminding them, remember what you need to focus on and block out all of that noise.
This is the home side's team today.
Yeah, it looks to be a 3-5-2, a defensive formation with the 3 centre-backs, 3 central midfielders giving a strong core to the side. It's just essential that they've got those real athletic wing-backs who can get up and down for the entire game.
This looks promising from Bayern. Chance not apparent yet. The goalkeeper more than ready for it. It's put into the middle. Secure hands, calmly taken. They've been on the wrong end of this fixture of late, and that really needs to change.
Yeah, it does, and they've not got the best record against them, have they? I'm sure the manager's going to have a plan today. Let's see how they go, eh?
Now, this might be promising. The defence has done its job to stop any trouble brewing.
I've been impressed with how they've closed down and stopped attacks quickly.
Nice possession. Gets the score! Keeps it out and crucially keeps it away.
Well, it was a great save that from the keeper. Showed his agility there to keep the ball out. It's a real important save to keep it all square.
And the defender in the right place to stop it. Sent into the middle. And it won't be going any further. The whistle goes for a free kick, and this could be really promising. A really well-hit free kick.
Oh, he's up there.
Oh, they could score here soon. Oh, yes, it's a ripper. There was no margin for error with that. It's a quite wonderful hit.
Yeah, it's a great strike. What a rocket. He catches it so sweetly. The keeper's got absolutely no chance. It's a superb finish.
And we're back underway, the deadlock having finally been broken. That has gone out. It'll be a throw. Played in with that. Cut out quickly and easily. Played in now. And that should do it. A two-goal cushion to rest on until the end.
Look at this lovely ball threaded through. Really good vision to set it up. And once he's in, it's all about the finish. No messing around. And just blast it past the keeper. So emphatic. What a hit.
So off we go. 2-0 the score now. Just 5 minutes remaining. Really good pass. And you can see his disappointment there. Here's a change for Musiala. There is the final whistle. Plenty of positives for them to take away, not least the 3 points, Sue.
Yeah, it was a positive performance. Some of the play today was
about building a team, and the way the fan support improves, he's got every... Well, the weather really couldn't be any better here today. A very warm welcome to you on this fine day. I'm Guy Mowbray, and I'm joined by Sue Smith for commentary, and we've got live Bundesliga action on the way. What are we going to get from this one?
It's great to be here. I think it's important that both teams are focused from the off, though, and they start quickly. But I'd love to see some goals. Hopefully I've not just cursed it.
This is the visitors' team for today.
Yeah, it looks like a 4-3-3, and they are really good out wide. The relationships with both wingers and fullbacks are great, and the latter constantly providing overlaps to create 2v1 situations. Both have got good delivery, so it's just about getting on the end of things.
Now a sense that something could happen from this. Had Having to stay patient here. Well, that hasn't taken long. In front already.
Well, if we watch this again, it's all about being alert in and around the box. And when the ball falls to him, he's clinical. That's a...
Been confirmed, so the will they or won't they discussions can now end.
Yeah, he seems happy
Oh,
about...
good opportunity. And they've levelled it up. Nothing to split them once more.
Well, here it is again. It's difficult for the goalkeeper, 2v1. He makes the right decision, lays it off for an easy tap-in. It's defensively poor, though.
So it's 1 each as the game restarts. Passing and the movement is good here.
Well, it's all about finding the right pass, isn't it? As you can see, Leipzig have had the majority of possession, but the standards just haven't been up to what we'd expect from them. They'll know that, and I fully expect the tempo and the quality in attack to improve, especially if they're going to go on and win this.
And first of all, they'll need to win the ball back. Heads it through, and played in now. And there's the goal to put them in front.
Well, here's the replay, and it's an inch-perfect pass this is. Shows great awareness to set up the chance. And it's good movement to get on the end of it. Really shows his composure in front of goal, doesn't he?
So that makes it 2-1, and away we go again. Over to Alex Scott now. She's got a goal at Borussia Dortmund to report.
Yeah, it's a goal for Leverkusen. They've scored the opener here with 64 minutes played.
Alex there ensuring we don't miss a thing. Daniel Munoz. That's not a bad-looking ball. On the wrong side of the... Defence offside. Good ball, decent looking attack this. Moving the ball well here, looking to extend the lead. Good possession with a gear change coming. Chance to score! What a terrific effort, that would have been special.
Well, he watches the ball all the way, connects with it perfectly, but just can't find the accuracy. It's a great effort, though.
Only 15 minutes left for play now. An attack of genuine promise developing. Decent delivery. And a really good bit of goalkeeping to keep out the headed attempt. A corner then for Leipzig as they look for the equaliser. The defensive positioning spot on. Well, that's not going to cut it. Under pressure, it's been sorted out by an alert goalkeeper. We're hearing now of developments at the Rhein-Energie Stadion. Alex Scott has goal news.
It's a
Hold
goal.
on, chance! And that one is got away. There's something on here, a chance to attack. Could be all square here. It's a really promising break. And it's opened up. The heroic stop. And the referee has given a penalty. This for the equaliser. And they have paid the penalty. It's been dispatched. All square then, as they get things going again.
Well, it's so noisy in here and the fans are really pushing their side on. They know there's still time for one last chance to get the winner.
Looking for an angle here. And what a challenge!
And hello from the Red Bull Arena in Leipzig, just across the Elster Basin from the plush Kotterweg training facility. And Derek Ray here on the commentary gantry, joined by Sue Smith, who'll provide all the tactical observations. And we have live action from the Bundesliga coming right up. How do you see this one going? And holds on to it confidently. And let's have a look at the starting 11 for Leipzig. Munoz. Lukeba. Possession changing hands. Can they nudge in front? In it goes! The goal for 1-0, and that changes the dynamic.
Here we can see it again, and he just hits this so sweetly. He knew as soon as he connected with it that this was going in.
And the ball is moving again, so having conceded, let's find out if Leipzig can flick a switch and come up with a goal of their own. Ake. And danger averted, well read. Oh, a nice ball over the top. Is it going to be? And a fine stop to... Oh, chance taken! There is opportunism for you, but a disappointed goalkeeper.
Well, looking at the replay, this is a really good initial save. You've got to feel sorry for him that the ball falls to an opponent. I'm not sure he could have done much more, to be honest.
So the ball rolling again, 2-0 the score. Now sending it in. Textbook example of how to cut it out. Now options are plenty. That's well blocked. Well, giving the ball away. Running room in the wide position. And they've been awarded a penalty. An opportunity for 3-0. Oh, he's guessed correctly and saved it! And he's fired over the corner. Oh, and a penalty has been awarded! Can they make it 3-0? And a goal! He was composure personified, and he's done his job from the the spot.
Well, if you have a look at this again, it's a cool, calm penalty. The goalkeeper goes the wrong way and it's finished well. It's a really good strike.
This is looking rather comfortable for them. 3-0. Ake. Well, now it's with Ruben Loftus-Cheek. Nathan Ake here. And support available. Opportunity. Oh, free kick. They'll be licking their lips. Quite the tantalising free kick he was hoping for. Goalkeeper's ball. Well, this is the home of live football, EA TV. Delighted that you're with us, and hope very much you'll join us for this match coming up.
Yeah, I'm certainly looking forward to that one. Hopefully we'll see plenty of goals.
And he's lost custody of the ball here. That's a good pass. And the keeper taking care of the situation. Arnold. The possession play frustrating their opponents. Well-timed tackle. Always likely to be given as a foul. So 2 minutes of stoppage time to be added on. Oh, nice ball. And there it is, the full-time whistle here, and it's a victory for the visitors.
Well, that was really comfortable, wasn't it?
And the rain shows no inclination to stop. We're looking forward to the game anyway. I'm Derek Ray, and my commentary partner here on the gantry is the former Arsenal and West Ham player, Stuart Robson. And we have live action from the Bundesliga coming right up. What are you expecting to see?
Well, both managers will be reminding their players of starting the game quickly, hitting the opposition back, playing the ball forward and regaining possession as quickly as possible. Hopefully we get a really good game here.
Erdnadine Demirovic. Well, a good tackle. Well, he can't really hide from this in statistical terms. Not facing one of his favourite opponents.
Yeah, but it doesn't take much to turn things around. A good start will be important, though.
Oh, wait a minute. They could well be in. In it goes! The goal for 1-0, and that changes the dynamic.
Well, as the replay shows, it all started with that perfectly weighted ball over the top of the back line. While the movement in the box is equal to it, it's such good timing. What a goal.
Well, back underway, and 1-0 it is. Let's see what happens. 5 minutes remaining, and one thing is certain, no one is leaving, because it's still close. Adam. Promising position, this. Beautiful pass. Able to deal with the threat. And just 1 minute of time added on for stoppages. And there goes the final whistle. And the home fans are going to be happy about this outcome.
Yes, Derek, there wasn't much in it.